Understanding the root of unity in mathematics and language. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating mathematical and linguistic concept, the root of unity. This phrase may sound complex, but don't worry, we'll break it down together in a simple and easy to understand manner. The term, root of unity, is primarily a mathematical concept. In mathematics, a root of unity refers to complex numbers that give the value of 1 when raised to a certain power. For example, in the equation xn equals 1 x caret n equals 1 x n equals 1, where n is a whole number, x is a root of unity. But let's not get lost in the complex world of numbers. In language learning, the phrase can be understood more broadly. The word root signifies the origin or base, and unity stands for oneness or harmony. So, root of unity can metaphorically mean finding a common base or origin that unites different elements or ideas. Even though root of unity is a mathematical term, its components are used in everyday language. For instance, when talking about the root cause of a problem, it means finding the original or primary cause. Similarly, unity is a common word used to express harmony or agreement among people or ideas. Now, let's try using root of unity in a sentence. Remember, it's a specialized term, so it's typically used in mathematical or abstract contexts. For example, the mathematician explained the concept of the root of unity in his lecture on complex numbers. I hope this video has helped demystify the term root of unity and shown how its components are used in both mathematics and everyday language. Remember, learning English involves exploring a range of words and phrases, some straightforward and others more complex. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.